Ideal TV, watch and learn, watch and laugh. Ha 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 ha.
Hey YouTube, it's Ideal here from Ideal TV. I'm here to talk to everyone about this lawnmower. Just got this lawnmower off Craigslist. They said it don't work, no start, no run, nothing at all. It don't work. So there's a few things we're gonna check, like obviously this cable right here, which is a clutch cable. It's disconnected. That can cause the problem too. So let's go ahead, put that back in. Come closer so I can show them how to connect this. This clutch cable, it has a keyed-in mechanism, which it's broke, but I think that will work for now. You have to put it this way, then turn it this way, so that when you press this, the clutch disengage. Unlike car, the clutch need to engage for the car to run. For the lawnmower, the clutch need to disengage. Some people call it the handbrake for the engine, but it's a clutch. Once it's engaged to the engine, it shut the engine down. When it disengage, the engine run free. So if this cable is loose, then the lawnmower cannot start, it won't run. So let's see if that's the problem. I'm gonna give it a start first. This is the primer right here. This little tube, you press it about 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All up. Let's check if there's gas, because if it's out of gas it won't start. Yes, it have gas in it. Smells good. So let's cover that up. Okay, there's like 4 simple things that can cause it not to start. The clutch cable being disconnected, the primer not working, the air filter clog, no gas. So I primed it, it have gas in it. So let's give it a couple try and see if it starts. And when you draw, you want to feel for compression. Okay, no nice. I'm trying to video. This is not a rooster show. That's my baby. But you want to feel for compression when you pull. If you pull and this thing pulls freely, then there's 2 things. There's some clips under here that engage with the crank that allow you to turn the engine for it to start. If those is broken, then it will free. Another thing, if there's a broken ring in the piston or something, for some reason it's losing compression, this will comes freely. And if the clutch is engaged, then it's hard to pull. But once you engage the clutch, easy to pull. Okay, so the clutch is okay. Have gas to prime it. So okay, let's check the filter. Flathead screwdriver should do that job. And this is where the air filter is. Another thing, the carburetor can be clogged. If so, you can open. I will show you. But there's a little place there you can open. Take the carburetor off and check it. Oh well. The air filter is extra clog. So let's check that out. And the carburetor is also dirty. Yes, the carburetor is dirty. You don't want to have nothing inside the carburetor, because the intake hole for the gas It's a small hole. Okay, so they took the filter out and replaced it with pieces of foam, which is exactly what I'm gonna do again. Pieces of foam, because I don't have a filter this shape to put back right now, but I want to test it, so I'm gonna clean this off, replace it with some foam, and then we're gonna try start it again. Okay, get all these grind off. Yep. You wanna clean it up inside and out, because you don't want these things into your carburetor. So once I clean it up, I will get some foam. You can pause for the time being. So I can get. Okay, now we're back and we're gonna make a air filter for this lawnmower. You get a piece of foam about an inch thick, and this is the cover for the housing for the filter. So you place the housing on a piece of sponge and you mark all the way around. Okay, good. You get a scissors, you cut it out. Just like that. You don't have to be precise, but you want to be as best as. Then you have a hole right here that's supposed to go over this. The hole that I mark, it's smaller than this, but you gotta cut bigger than that. So I do it like this. On the other side, the same thing. Okay. So that need a little more opening. You don't want it too big though. My chicken think it's. Come here. No, nice. Say hi to the camera. Okay. Yeah, you can go now. I'll finish with you. Country life is good. You get to have the birds with you. So, so there we go. You got it fit down in there. Nice. This is where it can accumulate all the air from through these holes and give oxygen to the engine. Okay, this is another one of my beautiful rooster. That's one right there, and they all love to be around me when I work. I'm country, so I have all my roosters. Getting ready to get me some goats. But okay, you pick this piece up like you did the other before. You don't want all these dirt inside of the carburetor. So you clean that up. You put them back together. Then you have a filter. Hopefully that's our problem. Another thing to check if this doesn't work is the spark plug. If you're getting spark, and if you do get in spark, the spark plug might need to change. So okay, I fit my filter back onto my carburetor with a flathead screwdriver. Screw that down back because without oxygen the engine won't fire. So okay, we changed that. Let's prime again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-time prime. Hold your clutch down. Something sounds good. Prime again.